Hi everybody, welcome to Wellness One for you Digital Academy students. I am Miss Dwyer. I'm going to be your teacher for Wellness One. Today, what I have planned is just a quick video. I kind of go through a PowerPoint, shows you guys a little bit about me, some expectations for you guys, how we're going to navigate this course, do it together so that it's as simple as possible for you guys. All right, so to start here, I'm going to share my screen. So I'll stay in the bottom corner and we'll go through this PowerPoint. So again, welcome to Wellness One. For attendance, you guys should have heard this before, but make sure you guys are logging into Infinite Campus and tracking your attendance that way. A little bit about me. I am also the head softball coach here at Eastview. This is my third year being the coach. My student taught here in the spring as well. So I taught in person and online. So I've done both of those. So this is my first year teaching. But although it's my first year, I have done in person and online. All right, so we'll be all right. I got my bachelor's degree from the University of Minnesota in kinesiology, where I also played softball there. There's a picture of me with my teammates at the bottom. And I just got my master's this summer from St. Thomas in PE and health. So during quarantine and during my summer, as soon as COVID hit, I went back home to Iowa for the summer and spent it with my parents at their house for the last 7 months, really. I also coached club softball this summer. I went to my friend's lake a lot. And as you see down here, this is me in front of my house. I just bought a townhouse here in the area. So I am back from Iowa. My house is a construction zone. It's getting redone. So there is that. All right. Moving forward. So our goals for learning. So there's going to be once a week Zoom sessions. You guys should know that. And it will add to our 3 online lessons for that week. So we'll engage in meaningful conversation and we'll answer any questions you have about your online assignments for that week. All right, for online each week, you're going to be learning about wellness through these 3 lessons. So what these 3 lessons are going to look like is Monday and Tuesday, you're going to complete lesson 1. All right, so I have a week down here. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I kind of put the colors here at the top to help you guys link the 2 days together in your mind. So the blue line here, Monday and Tuesday, you have to do lesson 1. So you can do lesson 1 on Monday, get it turned in at 2 o'clock, and you're good to go. You can save it till Tuesday, until midnight that night if you would like. All right, it's going to be due on midnight, at midnight on Tuesday. Okay, that's going to be lesson 1. So for example, next week we're talking about the frame as our first lesson. Okay, then we'll go to Wednesday. So Wednesday it says complete lesson 2 online. So you only have 1 day to do lesson 2. So you'll have to log on Wednesday and get lesson 2 done. It is due at 11:59. Thursday and Friday, you'll have to complete lesson 3. So you can do it on Thursday or you can do it on Friday, up to you. But Friday, you'll be Zooming with me in the afternoon. So if you want to get it done right before we Zoom, right after we Zoom, that's totally up to you. But you'll have these 2 days to get your third online assignment done. So for due dates, so lesson 1 is due on Tuesday at 11:59. Wednesday, lesson 2 is due at 11:59. And on Thursday and Friday, lesson 3 is due Friday at 11:59. So you guys only have things due in this class Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right. What will Schoology look like? All right. So if you have a question, go here. It's at the top of our Schoology page. There's a discussion post for you to ask any questions that you might have. And you can answer other classmates' questions if you'd like in there as well. Once you click on our materials here, you'll see week 1, September 14th through 18th. This is what you're going to want to go to next Monday. Once you click on that, this will pop up. All right, so it says lesson 1, which we just learned is Monday and Tuesday. Lesson 2 is on Wednesday, and lesson 3 is Thursday or Friday. So I tried to put the due dates there and make it as simple as possible for you guys to know when each one of them is done. If you click on one of the folders, this will pop up. So we'll have the PowerPoint slides there. There's a PDF here that you guys need to download in Notability, and we'll turn it in here. All right, again, it has the due date of Tuesday, 9:15. There'll also be a page in here you click on, and that's where I'm going to be speaking and having the lesson for that day. So that'll look more like this, where I'll have today's tasks. Task 1 is almost always watching me. Task 2 is going through the PowerPoint, and task 3 will be completing your assignment. But once you click on this page, it's super easy. You just scroll through. Task 1 has my video. It would look like this. You can click on it. Then there's task 2 beneath. It tells you exactly what to do. And then there's task 3 at the bottom, and again has the PowerPoint, the PDF, and the place to turn in the homework all in one spot right there. All right, and then best way to get a hold of me, email me, reach out to me through Schoology. That is up to you. Wednesdays are definitely going to be my best day to respond to you guys. Otherwise, afternoons are a good time for me to check my email and check all my messages there. All right, so make sure you guys know that school will start on Monday, although I'm not meeting with you guys until Friday. All right, reach out if you have any questions. Enjoy your last week. We'll see you guys next week.